I feel very fortunate to have been told about Cooper. My experience with the company has all been good. My favorite thing, I believe, about Cooper is its professionalism. Everyone from the person who first came out to give me an estimate, to the installers, to Terry Marsh at the desk, to everyone with whom I have spoken at Cooper, they have always called me back on time, done their work efficiently, answered my questions. It's the way business should be done. I was very impressed with their quiet confidence. They obviously knew what they were doing. Their timing was good. When they told me they would show up at a certain time, they did. I believe I had to change a time, and they were very responsive to it. As I said earlier, the way business should be done. There was no game playing, just efficiency. Terry has been wonderful at the front desk, and I admire productivity and efficiency.